Hey guys, Ogre Fabworks here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's job, it's extracting some broken off bolts. As you can see, they're down in there. I already got started, so I got that one out and that one out. So there they are. So it's just doing a little bit of weld buildup. I don't know if you can see, but building up, welding a washer and a nut to it and getting it out. I tried to get that one out. It had a little piece, but just wasn't a big enough piece. So they're actually coming out relatively easy once I get them started. But that's today's project. Broken everywhere. So just got to be careful not to weld it to the threads and go from there. So it had a pretty violent disruption, I guess. So I'm saving some of the easier ones for last. So you can see there's a couple proud ones down there. Those will be pretty easy. Using my little leather welding blanket here to protect the rod and go from here. And this was from the violent disruption. That's not from me welding. But all right, let's keep it going. All right, guys, there's all the holes all cleaned up. Got all out. It definitely went a lot smoother than it could have. Here's the pile of carnage. There's a couple pretty cool ones in here. Let me see if I can find some that I did some decent build-up. There you go. I just think that's so cool to be able to build that up like that and extract those. So whole pile of carnage, and then just another useful thing. So I chased all the threads with a thread restorer, not a tap, but a thread restorer to fix all the threads. Most of them were fine, with a little blowout and running those in. Some of them, I think 2 of them needed a tap. So a tap is obviously different than a thread restorer. Yeah, just chased them. Holes are good. All we need to do now is repack the seals and ship it. So thanks for watching. Ogre Fabworks, welding and line boring, servicing Michigan and Indiana. I'll see you on the next one.